In this question, we're given some signal x of t, and we're given the Fourier coefficients. We're given a0, an, and bn. And the question is to find the 10th Fourier coefficient. And we're asked for C10, which is the compact representation. So what we're trying to find is C10, which is the square root of A10 squared plus B10 squared. Now, what do we know about the signal? We know that there's no DC term. So that tells us that the DC term is 0, i.e. the average is 0. It doesn't tell us anything else. It doesn't tell us that it's an odd function or an even function. We can tell it's an odd function because there are no even terms. All the cosine terms are 0. So therefore, it is an odd function. But that makes no difference in calculating C10. It doesn't matter whether it's an odd or an even function. We just need to plug these numbers in. So here we're going to put in 0, and here we're going to put 20 over n squared. And that gives us an answer of square root of 4, which is 2. And that's it. That's your final answer. So to 4 decimal places, it's 2.0000 or just 2. Now, some people might think, well, if it's an odd function, then it means all the harmonics with even indices like C2, C4, C6, C10 should be 0, but that's not the case. So odd function relates to the sine and cosine. It has nothing to do with this. So an odd function doesn't mean that B2 has to be equal 0. No, an odd function just means that all the A terms is 0. The B terms can have any value. So don't confuse the fact that this number is even with the fact that the function is odd. Those are unrelated. Not completely unrelated, but as far as questions like this are concerned, it's unrelated.